That bird right there is picking some straws because it's making the nest right there in the floor of that trailer. Are making the nest right inside the floor of the trailers over here. As you can see, she's coming right there. Oh, she dropped it. I disturbed it probably. Over there, that trailer, same thing is going on over there. There she is. She went inside and she's making the nest. She's gonna lay the eggs in the nest, and the saddest thing about it is the nest is gonna be gone as soon as this trailer is picked up by the truck. Who knows where it's gonna go, and she'll never see her eggs again. That's life. Life is fucked up. Life is messed up. The poor mama bird is gonna lose her eggs and maybe little birdies because of a tough life. Here we go. Poor bird is still doing it, building the nest, not even knowing that she's not gonna see it never again. Because this trailer is going to be hooked up by the tractor, and the tractor, the semi truck, it's going to take it who knows how far from here. It's messed up shit. Evo, ptice prave gnijezdu u ovoj prikolici. Evo je, hoće da uđe, ali ja je malo zajebavam, ali evo, ona će opet ući. Pravi gnijezdo unutra, i kad napravi gnijezdo, kamion će doći da pokupi ovu prikolicu, da je zakači i odvuče ko zna gdje. I jadna ptica neće nikad vidjeti svoja jaja koja je tu legla, a ni ptice, mali ptičadi, koja će se izlijeći. Jer ova prikolica, kao i ona druga tamo, i sve ove prikolice, kamioni će doći da ih pokupe, da odvezu stvari u njima. I sad, da li danas, sutra, preksutra, za sedmicu, možda baš poslije datog vremena kad se izlijegu jaja, kad mali ptići dođu na svijet, možda baš tad kamionđija dođe i odvuče ovu prikolicu. Kao i onu tamo. Ali to je život. Tako isto i ljudi. Djecu imaju i danas je sve ok, a sutra ne do Bog nešto se desi i te djece više nema. A isto tako i roditelja. Nesreće se dese i to je to. Jebeni život. Život je najveća kurva. That's life. Just like with us humans, same thing happens to us. Today we're all good, an hour later or even tomorrow we might be dying. Us or our family members. God forbid. That's life. Life is a bitch. Eto, ona je tu došla jadnica i opet picking up. Kupi slamke za gnijezdo.